To stake on Coinspot, start by logging into your account and navigating to the staking section. If you do not have an account, create one and complete the verification process to ensure you can access all features. Once in the staking section, you will see a list of available coins that can be staked, along with their respective yields and minimum staking requirements. Choose the coin you wish to stake and click on it to view more details. Here, you will find information on the staking rewards, the minimum amount required to start staking, and the duration for which you need to stake your coins. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions before proceeding. Next, transfer the desired amount of coins to your staking wallet. You can do this by going to the Wallets section, selecting the coin you want to stake, and clicking on Deposit. Follow the prompts to complete the transfer, which may involve waiting for blockchain confirmations. After your coins are in the staking wallet, navigate back to the staking section and click on the Stake Now button next to the coin you wish to stake. Confirm the amount you want to stake and the duration. Then accept the terms and conditions. Your coins will now be locked for staking, and you will start earning rewards. The rewards will be automatically added to your account at regular intervals, usually daily or weekly, depending on the coin. You can track your staking rewards and balances in the staking section. It is essential to note that staking comes with risks, such as price volatility and the potential for slashing in proof-of-stake coins. Make sure you understand these risks and only stake what you can afford to lose. Additionally, always keep your account and wallet secure, and never share your login credentials or wallet keys with anyone. By following these steps and understanding the basics of staking on Coinspot, you can start earning passive income from your cryptocurrency holdings. Remember to stay informed and adapt to changes in the market and the staking landscape to maximize your returns.